Good afternoon, Namaste, dear student. Welcome back once again in this distance teaching learning class organized by Pepson. Okay. Now today we are going to learn the first chapter, that is set. Now set is the collection of well-defined object. Okay. Let me explain what is well-defined object. Okay. Definition already I have written here. Set means it is a collection of well-defined object. Like number one example. Vowel letters of English alphabet. Vowel letters of English alphabet. That is, these are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, or you can write A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 letters which are vowel in English alphabet. Okay, so number 2 example you can write even number less than 10. Then you can write even number means the number which is divisible by 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, less than 10. So only 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, and like odd number less than you can write 10. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd number less than 10. Okay, these are the some example of set. Okay, set means it's a collection of well defined object. Okay, odd number less than 10 means 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd number less than 10. Okay, now set notation, how to represent the set. Okay, now here set, it is always denoted by capital letter. Okay, like set is number 1, set is always denoted by capital letter. Like A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, etc. And the element of set and the elements of the set are denoted by small letter. Is that clear? Set is always denoted by capital letter, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You have to use capital letter, and the element of the set or member of the set are denoted by small letter, like A, B, C, D, etc. Okay, this is the set notation. Number 2, members or element, same meaning. Of a set are separated by comma and enclose in braces. Okay. Now here, member or element, same meaning, of a set are separated by comma. All these elements are separated by comma and enclosed in curly bracket. Okay. In set notation, this is called braces. Okay. So okay, let me write example. Like example, you can write number 1, natural number less than 5. Okay, natural number less than 5. Natural number, you know, natural number means counting number. Okay, starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these are natural number, counting number. Okay, here natural number less than 5. Okay, in set notation, how to write? Please here you can now you can denote this set by any alphabet like capital A. Okay, B also you can write, C also you can write, D also you can write, is equals to, you can write natural number less than 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number less than 5, that means less than 5. So 5 is not counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, set is always denoted by capital letter. We are denoting set by capital letter. And member or element of set are separated by comma. Here we are separating all these elements of the set by comma and we are enclosing this in braces. Alright. Now let me write another example. Example number 2. Vowel letter of English alphabet. Vowel of letter of English alphabet. Now you can denote this by B. Vowel, you know, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we are denoting set this set by B. Okay, and we are separating all these elements by comma. Okay, and enclosing in braces. Okay, these are the some example. Okay, set you have to keep in mind, you have to remember one thing, that is we have to represent or we have to denote the set by capital letter like A, B, C, D capital, and elements of the set are denoted by small letter and elements of the sets are separated by comma and enclosed in braces. Is that clear? Suppose if you write set B equals to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, it will be mistake. Is that clear? In this way, you cannot write the elements of the set, you cannot denote by capital letter. Simply notation you can write set is denoted by capital letter. Okay, this is the notation. Okay, elements of the set you cannot denote by capital letter. Now member of the set. Members of the set. Okay, member of the set, it is denoted by this symbol. This symbol denotes belongs to. Okay, this is Greek word. This symbol denotes belongs to. Okay, suppose you can denote, you can write some set, like you can take example yourself, this 2, 4, 6, 8 suppose. Then here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 2 belongs to, here you can write 2 belongs to set A, 2 belongs to set A. Okay, that means 2 lies in set A. Then, or you can write set A means 2 belongs to this set, this also set A, isn't it? Now 2 belongs to set A, or 2 belongs to 2 4 6 8 set. Okay, this set A, or you can write 2 belongs to set A. Here you can write 4 belongs to set A. Okay, 6 belongs to 6 also belongs to set A, and 8 also belongs to set A. Okay, because 4 2 4 6 8 are the elements of set A. Suppose 5 does not belongs to set A. Okay, 5 does not lies in set A. So 5 does not belongs to this set A. Okay, similarly 7 does not belongs to set A. Is that clear? Understood? Okay, and similarly other example also you can write, like 10 does not belongs to set A. Okay, this symbol denote this symbol belongs to, and this symbol does not belongs to. All right. Okay, now let me write some question. If the set W is equals to 0 1 2 3 4 5 and E equals to 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8, write true or false, true or false for the following statement, Okay, now A, 3 belongs to W. Number B, 5 belongs to E. Number C, 1 does not belongs to E. Number D, 8 belongs to W. Number E, 4 does not belongs to E. Now please here simply you have to write whether this statement is true or false. Okay, now please here 3 belongs to W. Now here W set, please check here 0 1 2 3. Okay, these elements 3 it lies in W set, so this statement is true. Now 5 belongs to E. Now here in E set only what are the elements? 2 4 6 8. So 5 belongs to set E. That means there is no 5 in set E. So this is false statement. 1 does not belongs to E. Okay, this is true statement because there is no 1 in set E. Okay, now 8 belongs to W. Here W set, please check here 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, but 8 does not there, so this is false statement. Okay, now number E, 4 does not belongs to E. Okay, there is element 4 in set E, so 4 does not belongs to set E. That means this is false statement because 4 is there in set E. All right, now method of describing set. Method of describing okay, there are different way for the representation of set. Okay, now there are different types of method. Okay, let me discuss all these method in detail. Now number 1 is description method. description method. Number 2, listing method. Number 3, set builder method. Okay, there are 3 different types of methods, so we can describe the set. Okay, now first we will discuss description method. Okay, first let me write definition so it will be clear for you. In this method, we describe the common property of the common property of the members of set inside the braces. Okay, example number 1. Natural number less than 8. Okay, example number 2. Okay, other example also you can write. Okay, now here in description method, in this method we describe the common property of the member of the set. Okay, member of the set means natural. Suppose if you consider this example number 1, then natural number less than 8. Then what are the natural number less than 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these are the natural number less than 8. Okay, which we can describe common property of the member of the set. Okay, all they are having common property. Okay, now here number 2 example, A equals A, vowel letter of English alphabet. Okay, that is you can write A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels of English alphabet. Okay, A also vowel, E also vowel, I also vowel. Okay, all these are the vowel letter. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we describe the common property of the member of the set inside the braces. All right. Now number 2, listing method. Number 2, listing method. In this method, we list the members of a set inside the braces. Okay, we can write same example like previous one. Natural number less than 10. Okay, natural number less than 10. Okay, natural number less than 10. Okay, now number 2, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we are listing all these elements, but in previous case simply they were showing common property. Okay, but in this case we are listing all the elements. Okay, in previous case we are not listing all these elements. Okay, but here we are listing all these elements. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, that means vowel letter of English alphabet. Okay, natural number n. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that means it's a natural number less than 10. Okay, in this method, member of a set are representing by a variable like x, y, z, etc. and common property of the member of the set described. Okay, now here definition. In this method, member of a set are represented by a variable, single variable. Either you can represent by x, small x, either you can represent by y, or you can represent by z, or by any other alphabet. Okay, now let me write example n x such that x is a natural number less than 10. And number 2 a, suppose y is a vowel letter of English alphabet. I am giving some same example, like in description method also same example we have written, in listing method also we have written same example, here also we are writing same example. Okay, is a vowel letter of English here please. N means natural number, x is a natural number less than 10. Here small x, this is set builder method. Here x represent all these natural number less than 10. X denotes all the natural number less than 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and another set E and Y such that Y is a vowel letter of English alphabet, that is vowel letter of English alphabet means A, E, I, O, U. Okay, in this way also you can represent set. Okay, this method is called set builder method. Express the following set in description method. Number A 2 3 5 7, 2 3 5 7, set A 2 3 5 7. How to represent these elements are in description method. Please here. Now E you can write 2 is prime number, 2 is only even prime. Okay, 3 also prime number, 5 also prime number, 7 also prime number. Okay, that means prime number less than 10. Okay, A 2 3 5 7, it was in listing method, listing form. Okay, now same we are representing in description method. Okay, thank you very much.